Hello everyone, I am Said Galeb. Today I will talk about states of matter. I would like to consider today states of matter. Now we talk about states of matter. So we have four parts. Everything made of matter, of particles, states of matter, and two things other than that. So we talk about each one in one session. Firstly, everything is made of matter. Rocks made of matter. Teeny particles. They are made of teeny particles. Also, water is teeny particles. Also, as teeny atoms or particles. So the molecules give us teeny atoms. Also, everything is made of atoms and also particles. So atoms is the smallest thing. There are two differences in particles in their way for moving, for the movement. The particles. First, in solid, they don't move freely. While in liquid and gas, they move freely and collide with each other and bounce in all directions. We will look at it in other slides. Now, we say that particles of liquid and gas move freely. So the way they move freely is called as random movement. Means each particle bounce in one direction. There is no specific direction for each particle. So this is called as random motion or Brownian motion. It's the same meaning. We say that the movement of the particles, liquid and gas, are called as random motion. But now you take a specific way for the meaning itself. The random movement or the random movement of the particle in all direction, all direction bounce on each other and collide is called as Brownian motion or random motion. Although we know the meaning of Brownian motion, now you know the evidence of Brownian motion. Therefore, one cooking smell spreads to dust dancing in air shade in daytime. Three, crystals potassium permanganate spread in water. Lastly, few drops of bromine vapor in a gas jar spreads upward. So now I will talk about the first evidence of Brownian motion. So the first evidence of Brownian motion is cooking smell spread. When the smell particles spread, it will being bombarded with the air particles. Now I will talk about the second evidence of Brownian motion. So it is the dust dancing in air. So when the dust particles is bombarded with the air particles, it will be dancing on in air. It is always in daytime. So now I talk about the third evidence of Brownian motion. It is the crystal potassium permanganate this spread in water. So how this process is done? Firstly, so the particle will mix and then dissolve in water and spread in water. I am sorry. So after we know that the third evidence that the particles of potassium manganate dissolve and mix in water, so this picture tell us that the particles here they dissolve for some time and start changing the color of the water to purple, but in the end the color of the water would change completely to purple. Few drops of bromine vapor, red bromine vapor, sprayed in a gas jar upwards. So how is this process done? Firstly, we know the color of the brown vapor is red brown. Okay, so this red brown vapor will mix among with the air particles, so this will make the bromine vapor to spread upwards. Now we summarize the fourth evidence bromine motion with a help of a picture. Firstly, so there is a tube that block the spreading between bromine and air. So we will take it out. So now they start to diffuse with each other and the bromine start to spread upward. I hope that you enjoy my video and don't forget to put subscribe for my channel Saad Galib AD and also put like for the video so we can upload other videos.